the struggle is real. 88 Mustang GT's YouTube journey begins. 88 Mustang GT loves cars. He loves talking about cars. So he started a YouTube channel. He dreamed of sharing his passion with the world. He imagined a community of car enthusiasts, but something wasn't clicking. His videos were good, he poured his heart into them, but views were low. Subscribers trickled in one by one. He felt lost in the sea of YouTube content. The algorithm seemed to ignore him. He knew he needed a change. He needed an edge. He needed something to break through the noise. Little did he know, a revolution was about to happen. A revolution powered by AI. Than ever before. AI-powered titles and tags, grabbing attention, first up titles and tags, 88. Mustang GT knew these were crucial. They were the first impression, the hook. He started using AI tools to analyze trending keywords. He discovered which phrases resonated with car enthusiasts. The AI even suggested catchy titles optimized for clicks. He noticed a difference immediately. His videos started appearing in more search results. People were actually clicking on his videos. His click-through rate soared. Smart editing with AI keeping viewers hooked. Next, 88 Mustang GT tackled video editing. This used to take him hours. AI streamlined the process. He used AI to remove background noise, create subtitles, and even add music. He discovered AI tools that identified and cut out dead air. This kept his videos fast-paced and engaging. Viewers were hooked. His average watch time increased dramatically. AI wasn't replacing his creativity, it was enhancing it. It gave him more time to focus on what he loved, creating awesome car content.
Conquered somehow. Oh, when I'm done, I would never think. I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it. I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it.